Today we have two battles. We have the battle of good versus even. No. We have the battle of even versus odd, and prime versus composite. So we have two battles to talk about, and you need to be able to collect your marks when they ask you what even number is. You could put it in words. Everybody know what even numbers are. If I ask you is 4 even number, you would know, yeah, that even number. But can you put it in words? Can you write it out? Can you pause the video and see if you can write out the definition of even, odd, prime, and composite? Let's see how many you get, because that's what I'm going to do in this video. So let's get rid of prime and composite and just focus on even and odd for now. Even numbers, those are the two numbers, something to do with 2 and here, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, those numbers. But how do we define them? Here's the definition. There's quite a few actually. There's like 3 definitions for even numbers. Definition 1. Even numbers are divisible by 2. Full stop. Now divisible mean can be divided without leaving a remainder. So even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder. You can think of that as a definition as well. What is another definition of even numbers? An even number is a multiple of 2. That's the next definition. All multiples of 2 are even numbers. 4 is a multiple of 2. 6 is a multiple of 2. So I said 3 definitions. There feels like there could be another one. What's another one we can say? Well, this definition is kind of tricky. Yeah? It's kind of like when I say it, you'll be like, wow, yeah, it's true, but that don't really sound like a definition. But it is. This definition is that number, including 0, that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Even numbers down. We can leave this. Oh no, we have odd numbers to do now. So what's an odd number? An odd number is a whole number that's not even. That could work. A whole number that's not even. Well, let's get something a little better. Numbers that are not divisible by 2. Numbers that leave a remainder of 1 when divided by 2. That's an odd number. Let's see if I can think of the weird definition with odd numbers. An odd number is a number that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So any number ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 is an odd number. Now all of these numbers are under the category of whole numbers, right? So I'm not talking about decimals, fractions, irrational numbers, weird numbers. I'm talking about whole numbers, right? So that's enough for even and odd. Wave goodbye to them. Let's go talk about their friends. Prime versus composite. Do you know what's a prime number? Once again, you can pause the video and test yourself to see if you know what's a prime number or a composite number. A prime number, I know this one, hold on, it's coming to me. A number with exactly 2 factors, and the 2 factors are 1 and itself. For example, 11 is a prime number. There is no number that can go into 11 except 1 and 11. Is there a secret factor of 11 hiding anywhere? No. So there's no number that can go into the number 11 except 1 and 11. That makes it a prime number. A prime number is a number with very limited factors. In fact, the only 2 factors are 1 and itself. Can you think of the first 20 prime numbers? Let me help you. Is 1 a prime number? No, we don't consider 1 a prime number. 1 is a special number. It's a multiplicative identity. So the first prime number is actually 2. Then 3, then 5, because 4 has a factor of 2. Then not 6, but 7, not 8, not 9 either, because 3 can go into 9, 11. Remember, just because you're an odd number doesn't mean you're a prime number. In fact, most odd numbers are not prime numbers. 11, 13, 15, 16, any even number is not a prime number except 2. That's what makes 2 so special. 2 is actually the only even number that is a prime number. So where did we reach? 13, 14, 15, 17. 17, yeah, boy. 17, yeah, no factors, boy. Just 1 and 17, boy. 18, no, of course not. 19, yeah. We have a good bit of prime numbers in this first batch here. So maybe you can think of all the prime numbers from now till 100. I will ask you one or two in the quiz. I will ask you some prime numbers in the quiz. Look out for that. So what's a composite number? A composite number is a whole number other than 1 that is not a prime number. So that's that definition. You have to know what a prime number is. So another way we can say a composite number is a number with more than 2 whole number factors, more than 2 factors. Like 6. 6 has the factor. What are the factors of 6? 1. 1 could go into 6. And as a factor pair, 1 by 6. So 6 is also a factor. But are there any other factors? Of course, we have 2. We have 3. 6 has 4 factors. The first number with 4 factors is 6. Another number with a lot of factors is 12. 12 is another composite number. Has the factors 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. I believe 12 is the first number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. 12, you're doing a lot there, my friend. What about 8? Is 8 a composite number? It most certainly is. 1 by 8 and 2 by 4. What about 21? Yes, 21 is a composite number. It's an odd number, but it is a composite number. It's not a prime number. 1 could go into 21, 21 could go into 21, but so can 3 and 7. And with that, we have completed the battle of prime versus composite, even versus odd. I have some more battles for you. Go to the next video and let's find out.